Most people write the email first, then ask AI to fix it. Flip that completely. I gave Microsoft Copilot 1 week. Every work email, requests, follow-ups, the awkward ones I kept putting off, I handed it the situation and let it draft first. Here's what surprised me. The emails it wrote were fine, like genuinely fine. Professional, clear, not robotic. But that wasn't the useful part. The useful part was what happened to my brain. I stopped dreading email, because instead of staring at a blank compose window, trying to figure out how to phrase something without sounding annoying, I just told Copilot what I was trying to accomplish. Plain language. I need to follow up on this proposal without being pushy. Done. Draft appears, I read it, tweaked 2 words, send. The AI for work emails thing isn't about the writing. It's about removing the friction before the writing even starts. If you have Microsoft 365, Outlook, Word, Teams, Copilot is probably already sitting there. In Outlook, open a new email and look for the Copilot icon. It looks like a small sparkle symbol. Click it, hit Draft with Copilot, and just describe what you want in plain English. Don't overthink the prompt. Write a polite follow-up to a client who hasn't responded in 2 weeks. Works perfectly. Copilot gives you a full draft. You edit it like it's already yours because it kind of is. The thing most people miss, tell it the tone you want, add keep it warm but professional or make this brief and direct, and the output shifts noticeably. That one adjustment made my drafts feel like me instead of a generic template. And if this kind of practical AI stuff is what you're looking for, Stack Future posts one of these every single day. Copilot isn't going to write a perfect email every time. Honestly, sometimes the draft is a little stiff. But here's what changed for me. Even a mediocre draft is easier to fix than a blank page. The AI writing tool isn't replacing your judgment. You still decide what to say. You still know the relationship, the context, the history. Copilot just handles the part where you're sitting there trying to figure out how to open the sentence. After a week, I stopped thinking of it as AI writing my emails. It's more like having a first draft waiting for me before I even sit down. The hardest part of any email is starting. This just removes that part entirely. Here's the real takeaway. The value isn't in perfect AI-generated emails. It's in the fact that you stop avoiding them. Copilot as an AI email assistant doesn't make you a better writer overnight. It just gets you moving, which is honestly most of the battle. Next video is about using Copilot inside Teams to catch up on meetings you missed, which, if email felt useful, that one's going to feel like an actual relief. If this helped, tap the like. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.